Hey, this is Young with AO Reliance, coming at you from a local park where people like to go hiking through, uh, trying to get sample footage of the 4K camera module on this, get some audio sampling, bring you guys the video quality of that and the 360 camera. And at the end of this video, I will try to find 3 positive things to say about this camera, even though my overall experience with it has been pretty negative. Stay tuned. Alright guys, walking down the trail, getting ready to go up a hill. I thought I'd take this opportunity while I had the 360 camera going to mention that it is on a selfie stick about 2.5 feet away from me, so this is kind of an audio check too. I tried to do this last Sunday to compile 2 4K clips, some 360 clips, edited them together and upload them and see how long it would take me. And well, it didn't work out that well. It took me 4 hours on the internet to really figure out how to use the I'm gonna turn real quick. How to use the editing software. Anyways, by the time I got ready to upload 8 hours later, some of the things I had said in the video didn't really ring true anymore. So I decided not to upload it. Anyways, this is my 3rd attempt at capturing the clips I need to put together. Alright guys, I think I gathered enough shots and I'm on my way back to the truck. Seem to be offending a lot of millennial soccer moms in here doing this in this public park. Apparently it's disrespectful. I think it's disrespectful for overweight women to be wearing yoga pants, but that's just my personal opinion. Anyways, 3 positive things I say about this camera. Its size, its modularity, and from what I can tell by other YouTube reviews, 4K image quality is right on par with the action cam world, and the 360 shots seem to be pretty good too, as long as you can get them edited in post in a format that you can upload to YouTube and keep the video immersive. The one major flaw outside, well, greater than the workflow problem with this, is Insta360's lack of instructions on how to use the app. They said I spent 4 hours going through forums and YouTube videos to figure out how to use the app, and I did learn a lot. So Insta works out some of these bugs and provides some better instructions, especially on the app. The camera's pretty simple to figure out. It's a good platform. It just needs a little work. Hopefully I will figure out a way to utilize this in my hunting adventures or off-road. But Anyways, guys, if you like the content, subscribe. See you later.